Hello everyone, I am Ankita Mamanya from Mumbai. I am a counseling psychologist. I came across this course called Counseling Practo course from Emo Matrix. It gives you 11 counseling skills and teaches you in-depth knowledge about 5 current topics like depression, anger, relationship counseling, etc. Our trainer, Suveen sir, has a great presence and he is a great listener. He gives you a safe learning environment to practice your skills and gives you useful feedback. Since this program is 100% practice program, I would recommend this course to anybody who wants to practice their skills and enhance their skills in therapy. This was a great learning experience for me.
I am Bhanumati Das Sharma. I am a banker by profession and I am also an art of living teacher. I wanted to become a psychological counselor for a long time, and so I was actually looking for a platform where I'll get a lot of practical training in counseling, and also was looking to be launched as a paid psychological counselor. That is why I came in contact with Emo Matrix, and so I joined their counseling practice course where I learned a lot of counseling skills, and I also learned about major issues like anger, depression, relationship issues, addiction, etc. And I'm really grateful to Emo Matrix, Suveen Kumar, and their team for training me in this field. And they also adjusted my training schedule as per my convenience since I was working in a bank. So I'm really grateful to them, and I would recommend Emo Matrix to all my friends in the counseling field and aspiring psychologists. You better get trained by Emo Matrix. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Bhavesh Kumar Jha, and I am working with one of the big corporate here and in leadership position. Last 1.5 years has been very difficult for all of us, and in this challenging time, I thought that my teammates needs not only regular advice but to professionally guide the team that how to deal with different situations. And here my searching start with some company who can dedicatedly work on psychology, where they can with their approach they can drive the organization for better results. So I find this course amazing to do with, and I am feeling very confident. Even hours after 16 years of experience, I am feeling very confident now that I can deal with my teammates now with more professionally, and can solve or even can help them in their regular day-to-day problems. I strongly recommend this for any organization, for any people who really take care of their employee, to go ahead with this, to know that what it need to be done for your staff, and I am surely that this course is going to fulfill.
Hi everyone, my name is Madhuri and I have taken up the Counseling Practo course at Emo Matrix. I am very delighted to share my experience with you all. We have covered 5 modalities, which are guilt and regret, relationship, depression, anger and addiction. We also covered rapport building techniques and personality of a counselor, which is very critical to a counselor. I want to give a special thanks to Suveen sir for being the amazing teacher that he is, and a big thank you to entire Emo Matrix team for making my experience a fabulous one. I would strongly recommend Emo Matrix to anyone who desires a fulfilling journey in the field of psychology. Thank you and happy learning.